According to the search results, I can provide a detailed due diligence report on Amgen, AMGN, with key financial data, business overview, and risk factors. However, some specific sections you requested, such as technical analysis and detailed insider transactions, are not covered in the available information. Here is a comprehensive report based on the data obtained from Amgen's financial results, SEC filings, and major financial platforms. Business and financial overview aspect. Details: business model: global biotechnology company that discovers, develops, manufactures, and markets human therapeutics for serious illnesses. Key products portfolio includes Enbrel, Prolia, Repatha, Otezla, Kyprolis, and newer products like Tezspire and Tepezza. Management team: Robert A. Bradway serves as Chairman and Chief Executive Officer. Recent revenue, Q3 2025, $9.6 billion, a 12% year-over-year increase driven by 14% volume growth. Recent net income, Q3 2025, GAAP net income of $322 billion, Q2 2025. Trailing 12 months, TTM. Net income is $7.01 billion. Profit margin, TTM, 19.47%. Debt to equity, MRQ, 567.49%, indicating a high degree of financial leverage. Cash flow, TTM, levered free. Cash flow of $11.41 billion. Generated $4.2 billion of free cash flow in Q3 2025 alone. P/E ratio, TTM, 24.74. Forward PE 13.74. PEG ratio 5-YR expected 0.96. Price stock book MRQ 21.55. Price char sales TTM 4.61. Enterprise value EBITDA 13.11. Product performance and growth catalysts. Amgen's growth is fueled by strong demand for both new and established products. In Q3 2025, 16 products delivered at least double-digit sales growth. High-growth products. Key growth drivers include Repatha, sales up 40%, Evenity up 36%, Tezspire up 40%, Blincey-2 up 20%, and Tepezza up 15%. Pipeline and innovation. The company has a robust pipeline, including MariTide, a promising investigational obesity drug. It also maintains strong spending on research and development, R&D, to fuel future growth. M&A strategy. Amgen has pursued strategic acquisitions, such as the purchase of Horizon Therapeutics, to expand its portfolio in rare disease treatments. Key risk factors. While Amgen is performing well, several risks require investor attention. High debt level. The very high debt-to-equity ratio of over 567% is a significant concern, as it increases interest expense and financial risk, especially in a rising rate environment. Regulatory and pricing pressures. The pharmaceutical industry faces ongoing risks from government regulations such as the U.S. Inflation Reduction Act, IRA, which can impact drug pricing. The company also notes pressure from the Medicare Part D redesign and the 340B program. Competition and patent cliffs. The company faces biosimilar competition for some key products. It has noted expected sales erosion for Prolia and Xgeva due to recent biosimilar launches in the U.S. Operational efficiency challenges. Analysis of short-term activity ratios over a 5-year period up to 2024 showed significant fluctuations in inventory and receivables management, indicating potential inefficiencies in working capital management. Cost management. Amgen has undertaken layoffs to realign its expense base in the face of intensifying pressure on drug prices and high levels of inflation, which, while potentially boosting margins, can also create operational disruptions. Dividends and shareholder returns. Amgen provides an attractive and growing dividend for income-focused investors. Dividend yield, 2.97%. Dividend per share, $9.52 annualized. Payout ratio. The dividend payout ratio was 119.05% in 2024, which is high and indicates dividends are not fully covered by current annual earnings. However, strong cash flow generation helps support this payout. Track record. The company has a history of dividend growth, with a 5-year growth rate of 8.48%. Areas requiring further research. The search results lack specific, up-to-date data for a complete analysis in several areas you requested. To finalize your due diligence, please consult the following. Technical analysis. Use charting tools like TradingView to analyze current support, resistance levels, moving averages, e.g., 50-day and 200-day, and momentum indicators, RSI, MACD. Market sentiment. Check the latest analyst consensus rating and price targets on financial data platforms. The one-year target estimate is $330.11 and insider and institutional activity. Review the latest SEC Form 4 filings for insider trading trends and SEC Form 13F for institutional ownership changes. ESG and corporate governance. Search for Amgen's latest ESG scores from providers like MSCI and review the most recent proxy statement, DEF 14A, for details on executive compensation and board structure. Employee and labor risks. While general industry turnover rates are available, e.g., 60% in technology, Amgen-specific turnover data is not provided in the search results. I hope this detailed report provides a solid foundation for your analysis of Amgen. If you would like to delve deeper into any specific aspect, such as a more detailed breakdown of its product pipeline or debt maturity profile, please feel free to ask.